Good morning students, welcome back again. So in the earlier video I told you that you have to solve the revision test, but before that here in this video we are going to revise all up till now practice set 4.1. I will revise you. So see, this is a question 1 in triangle LMN, which is an altitude and which is a median. This already we have seen in the previous so many periods. Now draw an acute angle triangle, how to draw the altitudes of an acute angle triangle, and we have written those type of answers. So you must have completed these things, but just I am showing you one by one. So the first question and second question of practice set 4.1 is over. Now third question, in third question what you have done, you have drawn an obtuse angle triangle and its median, and you have shown the centroid also. So see, in this type of figure we have shown the medians also and the point G as a centroid of the triangle. Such type of answers also we have written. Now the third question is also over of practice set 4.1, and in this way again question number 4 of practice set 4.1 also we will revise. Here you have drawn an obtuse angle and you have drawn altitudes and shown the orthocenter by letter O. So such type of obtuse angle we have taken, we have extended this line, we have extended this perpendicular line, and we have drawn the intersecting point, that is orthocenter by O in obtuse angle triangle in this way, and we have written the answers also. Okay children, so this all the notes you have, but just I am revising for you, because now after revising this I am giving you the revision test. Then question number 5 of practice set 4.1, here you have drawn a right angle triangle and there you have shown medians and point of concurrence as G. So such type of right angle triangle and the medians, perpendicular bisectors we have drawn, and the midpoint where it joins, and the medians we have drawn, and we have written such type of answers also. Now question number 5 is over. Now for question 6 also what we have taken, an isosceles triangle, there we have shown median and altitudes also and the point of concurrence. So such type of an obtuse isosceles triangle we have taken, we have shown by pink line we have shown the medians, and by the green line we have shown the altitudes. So and the answers, how we have written the answer for this question, this also you have the complete detailed notes. Okay, so in this way we have solved the question number 6 also, and question number 7 of the practice set 4.1, there one figure was given, point G was centroid and the lengths, one length is given, and how to find the other length. Just now in the earlier period we have seen when G is the centroid how to find, because centroid G divides median in the ratio 2:1. There we have find out length GC as 5 units. This was your first part of 7th question, and second part of 7th question also we have seen. There also we have shown the centroid G divides the median in the ratio 2:1, and we have solved the question in this way, and we have shown the lengths as BQ as 9 units, and in the third question of 7th question also we have found out length GP as 2 units, and the third part, the complete part, how to find out the centroid G divides median in the ratio again 2:1. In this way we have found out length AG as 4 and length GP as 2 units. So children, and we have solved the miscellaneous exercise also one by one of page 60. There are 3 questions based on the chapter 4 in miscellaneous exercise, that also we have seen in the earlier period. There we have drawn an obtuse angle triangle and medians. Okay, so you know very well now how to draw the medians of obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and right angle also. So here we have written the answers. This all notes you have children, you must have completed, and the 9th question was also given of miscellaneous exercise just now in the previous periods. In this way we have shown the orthocenter, and just now miscellaneous exercise 1, the last question. In the coming video means upcoming video which I have shown now. In that video you have solved question number 11 also in this way. So children, you, as I have shown you all the type of questions which we have solved, you have to revise all the questions one by one, so that you will come to know how to prepare for the test. Okay, so best luck for the test, the coming test.